How does white label work on HighLevel? Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to answer that question for you by answering the following three questions. Question number one, why would you want to actually white label HighLevel? Number two, how to sign up for the white label pro or SaaS plan for HighLevel. And number three, how to white label your HighLevel software. So the number one reason you'd probably want to white label HighLevel is in order to rebrand it as your own so that you can sell it to other small businesses and or clients who might need this type of software and collect 100% of the sales instead of giving away 60% or essentially only collecting 40% being an affiliate for HighLevel. Now, let's hop out of here and let's look at how you can actually get signed up for the White Label Pro SaaS plan with HighLevel. So in order to do that, you need to have a link to get to this particular page, which I provide on the link below this video. But this is the all-in-one sales marketing platform for successful agencies. Sign up today and enjoy a 14-day free trial of the Pro SaaS plan. So they call it Pro SaaS. I call it Pro or SaaS. And in here it's called SaaS Pro. And of course, most people know it as White Label. And it's $497 a month, but it allows you to add your own branding to it, right? So it's no longer branded as HighLevel. The other option is you can upgrade. So if you already have HighLevel in the starter or agency level, you can use this special link, which is also included in the link below this video, in order to upgrade your plan from starter or starter or agency to the SaaS Pro plan. And so you just fill in this information and that's how you get started. Now, let's head over to the actual white label version of HighLevel. So right here you can see instead of having a HighLevel logo, I have my Marketing Engines A.I. That's the name of basically my own white label version of HighLevel. Now how did I do that? Well, if you go all the way down to the bottom to settings and you have the SaaS Pro plan or the Pro SaaS plan, you can then go into company, and under company you can add your customized logo, company name, of course, company website, and then you can also do things like add your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and then further down here we have right here the white label domain. And so what we've done is we've created a white label domain called app.marketingengesai.com. And so that is our new branded URL to get to our version of HighLevel through the SaaS Pro white label plan. And then of course we have our own API domain as well, link.marketingengesai.com, and you can create these and migrate them, etc., to other locations. So that is how you basically brand it. And then when I want to actually get to my version of HighLevel, or if I have a client or customer who wants to, they can simply go to app.marketingengesai.com and it brings up HighLevel, or our white label version of HighLevel. All right, so that's basically how it works with HighLevel, and what you can do with it from there is endless, right? So like for me, for instance, I have still a sub account. All right, so we'll switch to that sub account. So now we're inside the sub account within our white label platform. And so what we can do is we can just go to sites, and you can do this with any of the sub accounts. So you can create any sub account you want under any name you want, but I have a matching name to the name of my white label SaaS, right? And then I have all kinds of funnels in here. And the one I wanted to share with you is I have one called marketingengesai.com. So if anybody goes to marketingengesai.com, they're going to probably see this waitlist page pop up first and foremost, but it's been created, of course, within a sub account. However, again, this can be anything you want it to be, right? So this can be whatever you want to name the sub account as. This domain doesn't have to be related to the white label version at all. This could be a completely different domain name. It doesn't have to be the same domain name you're using for the white label domain inside of the business area inside of settings. However, I do have them all there to be congruent, right? So if you go to marketingengesai.com and end up signing up for an account with us, then of course you're going to get an email from us from that HighLevel shoots out that basically shows our Marketing Engines AI logo and gives you the URL of https://app.marketingengesai.com as the login URL to your new Marketing Engines AI account. And there's no branding of HighLevel anywhere in sight when you do the white label. You can completely, it's basically just as generic as possible, and so you can take advantage of that as much as you want, right? So there you have it. So again, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this particular video. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a comment below this video. I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines AI, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.